Welcome to Puerto Del Rosario in Fuerteventura, which is the fourth and final stop in my Canary Islands and Madeira cruise. Puerto Del Rosario started off as a small fishing village, but grew in importance to become the main trading centre for the island. Across the port is Aida Nova, and this is my ship, the P&O Azura. It was time to take a walk into town and see what was happening there. Without doubt, when I go cruising, one of the things I like to the most is just to get off the ship and saunter around to see what's there. It was originally called Puerto de Cabras, which translates to be Port of the Goats. But I didn't see any goats when I visited. One of the things that Puerto del Rosario is most renowned for are the sculptures that line the shorefront. And I really wanted to see how many I could find. Fuerteventura is the second largest of the Canary Islands after Tenerife, and is located only 60 miles off the northwestern coast of Africa. Both ships and to check out the very touristy Fuerteventura sign. And just past the sign is the Tourist Information Office. Here they were giving away free maps of the island so you could check out the best places to go and see. It was carnival season when I went to the Canary Islands. There was a market in the main town square, so that's where I headed to. And the carnival here is in the third week in February. And this was the market, which was mainly selling leather goods and jewellery items. In the centre of the square is the parish church of Nuestra Senora de Rosario. The construction of this place of worship started in 1824, but wasn't actually completed until 1932. And just outside of the church was this amazing street art. I'm always amazed by how talented these artists are. Then I headed back down to the seafront to explore some more, where I found more of these wonderful sculptures. This one is called the Statue of the Dancers. And this one is called the Statue of the Fighting Cocks. And something else the island is renowned for are these lime kilns. Lime kilns began operating in the 16th century right up until the late 20th century, and were a major source of revenue for the island. And these days they're mainly used as a fantastic vantage point over the port. And probably the most striking difference between here and Las Palmas, where I was the day before, was the beach. And that's because the beach here is golden sand. But if you'd like to see what a black sand beach looks like, I'll leave the link here. Nothing quite like being at the beach, having the waves lap up at your feet. I'm very interested in booking an AIDA cruise. AIDA is part of the Carnival Corporation, just the same as P&O. However, the vast majority of the guests on board are German. If you've been on AIDA and have any tips, please let me know in the comments below. One of the most striking things I saw was this natural skeleton of a bride's whale. These are some of the largest animals on the planet and are regularly seen around these waters in the spring and summer. I decided to take a walk along the harbour. It was very interesting to see the difference between the small boats and those huge cruise ships behind. And after a fantastic day mooching around the town, it was time to get back on board the ship. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing.